If you are serious about mastering your mind and building an unshakable life, subscribe to the Stoic Guidance right now, because what you are about to hear is not motivation, it is a warning. Most people will not fail in 2026 because of bad luck. They will fail quietly, slowly, because of habits they repeat every single day without questioning them. Stoicism teaches us one brutal truth: your life does not collapse overnight. It erodes, choice by choice. Today, you will hear the first 5 habits that are silently destroying lives as we move into 2026. If even one of these habits controls you, this video may be uncomfortable, but discomfort is the doorway to discipline. Stay with me until the end, because habit 5 is the most dangerous of all. Imagine waking up 1 year from now. Same problems, same excuses, same regrets. Not because you were incapable, but because you tolerated what should have been eliminated. Let us begin. Habit 1. Starting the day without command over your mind. The moment you wake up, the battle begins. And most people surrender immediately. They grab their phone, they consume noise. They allow the world to invade their mind before they have spoken a single intentional thought. Stoics believe the morning sets the tone for the soul. Marcus Aurelius wrote his meditations at dawn, not at night, because he understood this simple truth: whoever controls the first hour controls the day. In 2026, distraction is no longer accidental. It is engineered. If you wake up reacting instead of deciding, you are not living, you are being lived. This habit destroys focus, discipline, and self-respect. Because deep inside, you know you did not choose your day. It chose you. Fixing this does not require perfection. It requires command. Wake up. Sit in silence. Decide who you will be before the world demands who you must be. Habit 2. Confusing comfort with peace. Comfort feels good. Peace feels earned. Modern life has taught people to avoid discomfort at all costs, but Stoicism teaches the opposite. Discomfort is training. If you avoid effort, your mind weakens. If you avoid struggle, your character shrinks. In 2026, comfort will be the most expensive addiction. It will cost you your strength. Endless entertainment, easy dopamine, soft routines, all of it creates a fragile person who breaks under pressure. The Stoic does not chase pleasure. He builds resilience. Ask yourself this question honestly. When was the last time you chose the harder option on purpose? Cold discipline creates warm confidence. Soft comfort creates silent regret. Habit 3. Letting emotions make decisions. Emotions are information. They are not leadership. Yet most lives are run by moods, impulses, and reactions. Anger speaks, action follows. Fear whispers, opportunity disappears. Desire appears, discipline vanishes. Stoicism does not suppress emotion, it trains authority over it. Epictetus warned that when you let emotions drive your choices, you become a servant to things outside your control. In 2026, emotional manipulation will be everywhere. If you do not govern yourself, someone else will gladly do it for you. Pause before reacting. Breathe before responding. Think before acting. A calm mind is not weakness, it is power under control. Habit 4. Measuring life through other people's progress. Comparison is the thief of clarity. You look at someone else's success and feel behind. You see someone else's comfort and feel inadequate. You scroll through curated lives and question your own worth. The Stoics warned against this centuries ago, not because comparison hurts feelings, but because it destroys purpose. Your path is not theirs. Your timing is not wrong. Your value is not negotiable. In 2026, comparison will be amplified by algorithms designed to keep you dissatisfied. The Stoic solution is brutal and freeing. Measure yourself only against who you were yesterday. Nothing else matters. Habit 5. Delaying responsibility until someday. This habit has ended more lives than failure ever has. I will start when things settle down. I will fix this later. Next month will be different. Someday is a lie. The undisciplined mind tells itself to avoid pain today. Stoicism teaches immediate responsibility. Not tomorrow, not next year, now. Every day you delay taking responsibility, you are voting for the same future. In 2026, time will not slow down for anyone. If you wait for motivation, you will wait forever. Discipline begins the moment excuses end. Habit 6. Refusing to accept reality as it is. Most suffering does not come from pain. It comes from resistance. People argue with reality in their minds every day. This should not have happened. They should have treated me differently. My life should be easier than this. Stoicism begins where acceptance begins. Marcus Aurelius taught that reality does not need your approval. It only demands your response. When you fight what already exists, you waste energy that could be used to move forward. Acceptance is not weakness. Acceptance is clarity. In 2026, life will not adjust itself to your expectations. You must adjust your actions to reality. The moment you accept what is, you regain control over what comes next. Habit 7. Depending on external validation to feel worthy. If praise controls your confidence, criticism will control your peace. Many people live as performers, not as principles. They move according to approval. They speak according to acceptance. They think according to applause. Stoicism teaches self-validation. Your worth is not determined by likes, recognition, or applause. It is determined by alignment with your values. In 2026, attention will be currency. If you chase it, you will lose yourself. The Stoic builds an inner scorecard. He asks one question at night. Did I act according to reason and integrity today? If the answer is yes, the world's opinion becomes irrelevant. Habit 8. Escaping silence instead of facing it. Silence exposes truth. That is why people avoid it. They fill every moment with noise, content, conversations, and distractions. Because silence forces confrontation with thoughts they have been running from. Stoicism does not fear silence. It uses it as a mirror. In silence, you discover unresolved fears, unexamined desires, hidden weaknesses. In 2026, constant stimulation will make most minds restless and fragile. Those who can sit alone with their thoughts will have an advantage that cannot be purchased. Silence is not emptiness. It is training. The mind that can be still cannot be easily controlled. Habit 9. Confusing busyness with progress. Movement is not momentum. Many people are constantly busy yet internally stagnant. They mistake activity for achievement, noise for direction. Stoicism demands intentional action. Every action must answer one question. Does this move me closer to virtue, discipline, and purpose? In 2026, busyness will be praised, but progress will be rare. The Stoic does fewer things better. He eliminates the unnecessary to protect the essential. If everything matters, nothing does. Clarity is power. Habit 10. Forgetting that time is a non-renewable asset. Nothing destroys life faster than the illusion of unlimited time. People behave as if they will always have another year, another chance, another opportunity. The Stoics lived with daily awareness of mortality, not to create fear, but urgency. Memento mori. Remember, you will not be here forever. In 2026, distractions will multiply. Time will slip away unnoticed. The Stoic asks himself each morning, if today were my last, would I live it differently? And then he lives accordingly. Time is not waiting. Neither should you. These 10 habits are not dramatic. They are subtle, and that is what makes them deadly. You do not need to change everything at once. You need to stop tolerating what is destroying you. Stoicism is not about escaping life. It is about facing it with discipline, clarity, and courage. If you eliminate these habits, 2026 will not break you. It will shape you. Stay disciplined, stay aware, stay guided by reason. This is the Stoic Guidance.